Hi everyone, in today's video you are going to learn how to request the calendar permissions in Outlook in 2026. Now this method allows you to view or manage someone's calendar with their approval. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your Outlook application on your computer, or you can also open it in your web browser. So once you see the Outlook dashboard in front of you, simply hover over to the left hand section and click on the option of the calendar tab. Once you are inside the calendar tab, simply click on the option of add calendar. Once you see this type of pop-up in front of you, simply look for the option of the section where you can add the people's name from your directory. You need to type the name or the email address of that particular person whose calendar you want to access. When their profile appears, you just have to select it and click on the option of add. If you don't already have the permissions, Outlook will automatically send a permission request to that person and they will receive an email asking them to allow you the access. So once they approve the request, the calendar will appear under your shared calendars in the bottom left hand section here. Now you can see they're scheduled based on the access level they have granted to you. It can be free, busy, reviewer, editor, or delegate. Now in the new Outlook, you can click on the plus icon next to the calendar, and here you can basically add the calendar. You can select the people's calendar. You can also search for the people and send the permission requests for the same. If your request is denied or still pending, you can resend it by removing the calendar and sending a permission request again. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.